right, I'm ready for this thing. So did you guys do the homework that goes along with this? Like I guess it's like right below the group meeting thing.
Right below it.
Like the quiz?
Like the individual prep?
So I think it's due like Saturday or something. The ones that are
Okay.
usually
No,
at
I
the end of
haven't done
the
that yet.
week. Okay. I just had a few questions with that, but I was
Let me look at it real fast. And
Yeah, I
it's
haven't
kind
done
of
that yet either.
okay. It's kind of like the group quiz. Um, but we can wait till after or whatever. So
okay.
you want to just go
So
through
I go to the group quiz
the
first?
group one? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So hopefully you get 1 and 2.
Yeah. You should.
Okay. 4. I got
Wait, you
false.
skipped 3. Thank you.
Oh, total area under the
Oh,
density
sorry.
curve is 1.
Okay.
It is
got
1. Okay. On the same page now.
Yes.
Okay. 4. False.
That's what I
That's what I
got.
got.
Okay. 5 is true. It has to be symmetric.
Yep.
Got it.
6.
The
So
z-score
the
is C.
z-score is
Yep.
C, correct?
C, like in cat?
Yeah.
Okay.
7, I got B.
Yep.
Yep.
A little. Okay. 8, if it's within 1 standard deviation, it's 68%, right?
Yep. Because that covers the majority of the bell curve.
All right, 9. This is where you use like the thing inside of the whatever the applet.
Yeah. Use the applet.
Whatever.
Yes.
I got.
Okay. How do you plug that into the applet? Because I was like plugging it in, and I don't know if I plugged it in right.
So the it tells you, I think -1 and 1 is talking about the z-score, right?
Yeah.
So if you
And then
just
you
put
just get
that in,
okay. And then you just get the mean, correct?
you'll get the area
The area.
at the
Yeah.
top. So
Okay.
that might be the mean. I'm not sure.
So I got 0.683.
No, okay. I got 0.317.
That's what I got. Because if it's -1 and 1, yeah, that's what I got for the area too.
So did you put 0.1 or just -1?
So I put. Let me show you what I put. I just put -1.00 and then 1.00. I could just try like -1 and 1 and see if that changes it. Or for me, when I just hit -1, it like automatically puts the 3 zeros. Does it do that for you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's sorry. Yeah.
So yeah, I got 0.317, I guess it would be.
That's what I got.
But
The only
how
thing
did
I
you do that, Heather?
did you put the like negative? Well, I guess no. I was just gonna say, did you put the -1 on the positive side and the 1 on
Well,
the?
I'm looking at the inside of the curves, not the outside of the curve. So what should be blue is the inside, the two red lines, not the outside.
Oh,
So it should be the center because you're within that 1 standard deviation. So it should be the 68th percentile.
Oh, okay, yes. Now I'm getting 0.683.
Yeah.
Is that what you got?
Yep.
okay.
I gotcha.
Oh, we'll be between -1 and 1. Is that
Yeah.
We
where I was
failed,
going
remember?
wrong? Okay. Nice save.
Yeah, that was 2 against 1. Way to stand strong by yourself.
So it doesn't have to be the 3 decimals or whatever. Right. Yeah. Okay. So that means I probably got 10 and 11 mixed up too.
Yeah, me too. I'm going to fix those really quick if that's okay with everyone.
Mm-hmm.
So for 10, I got 0.955.
Same.
Is that what you got?
Yep.
955.
Yeah.
So then
And
the
then
last
for
one should be
sorry,
997.
Yep.
Right?
for which one?
11.
For 11.
What, 977?
Yes, that's what I got. Woohoo!
All right. And so 12, the values match the
The
60,
roll.
95, 99. Got it. Does everybody get that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
13. So this is where you had to take the x number and minus it, or subtract it from the mean, and then divide it by the standard deviation, right?
Yeah.
And then you get that gives you the z-score,
Mm-hmm.
and then, so let me know if I did this one right. I got 0.196.
That's what I got.
Okay, you guys should help me on that. That one I didn't know how to set up very well.
Okay.
So where are you?
So usually it'll give you a bunch of information like this. And so it doesn't really matter what it's talking about. But it'll tell you what the mean is. So it'll say the mean is
Which is the point?
0.66, right?
Yeah.
And then it tells you the standard deviation 0.07.
Yeah.
And then, so what it gives us in 13 is 0.60. And it wants to know what proportion of the population has something less than that. So in the reading, it gives us a little equation, and it says whatever number they give you. So for example, 0.60, take that number and then subtract it from the mean, which is also given. Sorry, I can slow down.
No, I remember this. Okay, it's coming to me. Yes.
And then, so you take, and then you divide it by, yeah. So it'd be 0.60 minus 0.66
divided by
and
point.
all over 0.07.
Okay, yes. And you got 0.196.
So then you take that, the number that you get, and
Plug that in for the z-value.
yeah. So you can put it in like the little applet or whatever again.
Gotcha. And then you put that in the z-value, which is and is x. So is that x? Is what we just found?
What we just found was
Z, yeah.
Okay.
X is
What we're looking.
whatever number. Whatever number they give you in like 13, 14, 15.
Okay, hold on. Let me just try this and tell you what I get and see if I'm doing this right. Ooh. I got 0.66 as my answer. I don't know if that's right.
What did you get?
0.66 is my answer, but that doesn't work.
what do you have shaded?
Oh, I need to plug it into that thing. Okay. That makes
Yeah,
sense.
it
I
was,
was trying to calculate this.
depends on what you have shaded in the little
Yeah, hold
applet
on.
thing.
That was my bad. I was trying to calculate it on my calculator, not with this thing. Okay, I got. Are we doing the outside or the middle?
So you want what is less than the number we started with. So you're going to have the left side of the apple.
hmm
So then I got 0.196.
Yep,
There you
that's
go.
what I got.
Okay, thanks, guys.
Sweet. So the next one is the same question except for it just wants what's more than
Okay.
0.6.
You have everything but the left side shape.
So then 0.196 again. Correct.
So
So
the source
everything
is the
but,
same. And you're just going to unclick the left side and click the center and the right.
Oh, okay. Because it wants, okay, everything greater. So then I got 0.804.
yep, that's what I got.
Yeah.
Okay, so 15, same thing,
But you have
just changes the x on us. So just do that little equation again, 0.70 minus 0.66 divided by 0.07, and then put that in as a z value. I got 0.284.
I got 716.
Great, it probably means I'm wrong.
So
Okay, hold on.
Great.
what'd you
I'm
get for your z value?
What?
What'd you get for your z value?
Let's see. I got 0.571.
That's what I just got.
Okay. So because it's a positive and you want everything greater than it or less than it, you're going to go click the center and the left side and not the right.
Center and the left side.
Uh-huh.
So 0.716.
Uh-huh. Because our z-score was positive, so we go with the positive z value, not the negative z value.
Okay, that makes sense. I didn't know that rule.
Wait.
So
The center and the left?
Yeah,
yeah.
because 70 is greater than the average value in the center, middle value.
So last time we got a negative number,
Yeah,
and this time we're getting a positive number as the z-score.
yeah.
And you know that 70 is greater than the value because the area is bigger than 70, correct?
So when you subtracted the mu, which is the mean population or the mean protein requirements, that value is less than the value we're looking for. So on the bell curve, it should hit more to the right of the median than to the left because it's greater than the median.
Because 0.70, the number they gave us, is greater than the mean, which is 0.66.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. Got it. I think.
So 0.716.
Yep.
Okay.
Got it.
So 16. This one you need to find the probability between 60 and 70, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so this one took me a little while, but I think I got it. Anyways, maybe I didn't. I'm doubting myself now because of you, Heather. You're too good at this. So I got 0.088.
I got 0.52.
Okay, so I'll show you what I did. So in the reading it says you take this the z-score of 0.60, for example,
Uh-huh.
right? Which we established already, right?
Uh-huh.
So that one was negative 0.857. So, does it just want the left side of it?
So it wants between 60 and 70. So what I did is I did the center at 68%, that center section,
Uh-huh.
and did half of that value because we only want to get to the median.
Okay.
Because 60, we put it on the left side of it, and so I only went to the median. And then I went and did 70, and I calculated half of the center again and added those two together. Because that puts it both sides to the median. Since one's above
Okay.
the median, one's below the mean.
So I did the z-scores of both, and then in the book it kind of explained that, let's see, it says, so finding the area under the normal density curve to the left of the z-score of 1.22, which is 0.888. And then they did it with the other one, and it was 0.2061, so they subtracted 0.888 from 0.2061. And so I subtracted my numbers. Maybe that's where I
Were they trying to find what was in between?
Yeah. Let me just double check books work. Okay. Let me try one more thing because I think I might have done something wrong. Seven. So the z-score on 0.60, I got 0.1957. And then I'm going to subtract that from the z-score that I get from 0.70. Okay.
Oh, you're subtracting the areas, not the z-scores.
Okay, this time I got 0.5203.
Yeah, that's what I got.
You got that? Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't fill in one of the
5, 2,
blank or
yeah.
one of the parts of the graph. Okay. Good to know. But you added something together?
Yeah, I just found it to the median and then
Oh, okay.
did it from there. But if you had numbers that weren't going over the median, you would have to do it that way. So.
Okay. Yeah, so I took the z-scores, so I did 0.70 minus 0.66 divided by the standard deviation. That gave me a number. I put that into the applet.
And found the
then,
area.
Yeah.
And then
So with the positive numbers, I had to do what we did before and highlight both areas. Like
yeah.
the middle and the other one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alrighty. So So just 0.520 then?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, I'm good.
So 0.520
Yeah.
is what we... Sorry, just checking. Okay, I followed along with that whole conversation trying to, so I think we're good.
Okay. 17, find 35th percentile. I'm scared to say what I got because...
Well, I didn't do those two.
Okay. So the 35th percentile is just a given, right? If you put it into the probability applet, it'll give you...
area.
Yeah, so it'll give you the z-scores.
Times the standard deviation plus the mean.
Right. Yeah. So I got 0.687 on that one. I think. Yeah.
$687?
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Yep.
So 80th percentile.
Would just be...
I think I did this one wrong. I think I put in 75th percentile.
I got 0.719.
Right. 719. All right. Okay, I'll submit it.
All right.
Looks like I missed 17. I don't know why though.
What'd you have for 17?
0.687.
That's what I got too. So okay.
35.
That's weird.
It might be because we didn't include the negative.
Didn't include. Did you guys include the negative on 18?
We didn't have to because it was above, so we were using the positive z-score.
Oh, so maybe you do it by the negative?
Yeah.
Oh, I bet you're right. So it's probably negative 0.385 times 0.07 plus 0.66.
Do you want me to submit it with the negative?
It's not going to be just a negative added to it. It'll be negative
Yeah, it'll be
0.313.
I was gonna say, won't the negative change it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you'd be adding 0.66 to a negative number.
Yeah, exactly. So it's gonna go down.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want me to submit?
Sure.
Okay, buddy. Ooh, I got an 85. I missed 17. You said...
So it's not negative 0.313?
Wait, I got 0.633.
Okay.
Your turn.
All right, one more time.
Yeah.
We're going to see if we can get this. So 35 gives us the z-score of 0.385.
So negative 0.385 times 0.07 plus 0.66. So what I put in my calculator is 0.633.
I wonder why I got that one wrong then. 0.633.
Moment of truth.
Sorry, my internet's a little slow here.
Drum roll. Stop sneezing.
I'm sorry.
Your internet's really slow.
Yeah, I know. It's because it doesn't like me doing multiple things at once. I got a 90.
Oh.
What the?
So somehow I got 11 wrong, but 17 is still wrong.
Wait, what did you put on 11?
11, I had 0.977.
Oh, it's 0.997.
Yeah. So.
Gotcha.
Gosh,
Oh, nice. 17.
Well, that's
Writer, but now we don't know what we got if we get it right. So
Yeah.
Probably gonna keep me up tonight.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
I'm gonna do it again right now and see if I can actually find a different answer than the ones we did.
man. So what were you adding together, Robert?
What?
What were you adding together?
Okay, so I put so 35th percentile, put it at the top, and it just gave me that z-score at the bottom,
Uh-huh.
negative 0.385. So yeah, I don't know whether you multiply the negative or the positive number, but I'm assuming one of those
Oh.
you
So
multiply by the mean.
I think it's supposed to be positive 0.66 or 633, not a negative. And I think that was the issue.
Oh, did you put negative?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Did I say negative?
Uh-huh.
I probably made you miss it. It doesn't even say that on my calculator. I just wanted to mess you up.
We were having fun with the negatives, right?
Dang it.
Man, that's funny.
Okay, and
Let's
so
just
then
say
you had
that's the
questions
answer.
on the homework, right?
I just have, yeah, like the first one on the homework, if you have a second. Because I think the homework is maybe even a little bit tougher.
Was it on the quiz part or the, like,
So it's like, yeah, it's like the one that you submit.
okay,
So you hit start, is that what you're saying?
yeah.
Yeah.
And was it for 4 or 5?
So I did all of it except for number 1. It's kind of confusing.
Number 1 on 4 or number 1 on 5?
Oh, on 5, sorry.
Okay.
I was like, question 4.
You're like, I got that one. It's multiple choice.
Right. So I
Okay,
submitted.
so 50 minutes would put your X number at
Mhm.
50, which is 2 standard deviations away,
Mhm.
which everything would be 95. It should be in the center of the bell curve. So then the outside of the bell curve of outside of that 95 is a total of 5%. But you have 5% on the less than side so it's both sides of it. So it's half of it on each side. 5% is the total amount. So it should be 2.5 on the lower end and 2.5 on the upper end. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So if you use the applet
Mhm.
and type in 95 with the center highlighted, or 0.95,
95.
okay? And then you're going to highlight the left side and unhighlight the center. And you're going to take that
Okay.
area and multiply by 100 to get your percentage.
So 10%.
No. So 95 is your area in the center.
Right.
So then you highlight the left side and unhighlight the center.
So would it be 47%?
Here, let me just share my screen real fast. Share. Okay, so when you plug 95 in here, you're going to want the center highlighted, like that. Okay, because you're looking at the 95%, which is the 2 deviations away, where at 68 it's only 1 deviation away. So because you're trying to find out what's less than what 2 deviations away is, which is this line right here, you're just going to highlight that side, and that will give you your area. And then to turn it into percentage, you multiply it by 100, would give you 2.5. Did that make more sense?
A little bit.
Wouldn't it be 5%?
Well, 5% is if you have both sides, but we only want to find out what they have, which is less than.
Less than
So it would only be the one
So-
side.
in under 50 minutes.
Are you sure? Because if I highlight both sides, it says the area is 0.1. But if I highlight just the left side, it says 0.05.
Okay, and you typed in 95 for your
Yeah.
center?
Yeah.
Sorry,
type in-
So your center should say 0.95. That's two deviations under that rule.
Yes.
Okay? So then if you unhighlight your center, well, you hit enter. So it puts your z-scores in the right spot.
Yeah.
Then you unhighlight your center, and you
Okay.
highlight your outsides, it should come to 0.05.
Oh, we're highlighting. Oh, you're highlighting both?
But we only want to know what's less than 50, which is this line here, so we don't need to know about this here.
So
Okay.
it's 2.5 then.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's the only one.
Okay.
The other one's pretty straightforward, I think. Sweet.
All right.
You guys have any questions about anything, or
Nope.
you're
I
good?
think I'm good. I think the quiz helped me, so should be good.
Very cool. All right. Well, good job.
All right.
And
All right. We'll see ya
Yeah.
okay.
Tuesday.